Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you about Omron PLC model CP1E, how we can upload and download the program from Omron PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's start. First of all, I will show you the picture of Omron PLC, which is I'm using for programming. This is the model number Omron same CP1E, and this is the inputs and this is the outputs. So here you can see one terminal is, you can see line 1 and line 2 neutral, means if you have a 220 voltages two phase, you can put here two phase yani, but voltage up to 100 to 240 volts. And this is the ground terminal, and next you can see this is the common voltage. Also you can choose this output voltage of the 24 volt of the PLC. Otherwise, if you like to be used from the external voltage, also can be used. So this is the minus voltage and this is the plus voltage. This minus voltage you can put it at the common voltage, common terminal, and this plus voltage you can use your push buttons, means external inputs. And this is the 0.1 0 1 0 0 1 2 3 4 5, same like this is the input addresses and this is the output addresses. So let's go to the program, and I will open my CX programmer. For using the PLC Omron PLC, this software is worked with the Omron PLC CX programmer, the name. As per you can see upside also is here. And this you can download easily from net. If you don't have, I will give the link in the subscription, and after you can download from there. So we have to be first understand about this features. This is the file, can make it. If you like to make the new program, you can click it on new, and if you like to make it new open program, if you have a already program, you can open from folder, can click it here. But we are now making this lecture is about the upload and download, so we will create a new program first. And which model you have, this you have to be first select. Here you have to be write your any PLC name or device name. He says any, you can program, write it here name. For example, I will write it here upload Omron. And which model you have, you can see it here. This is a model showing and this is the setting. When you click it on this one, here you can see many of the models of the that's Omron family. So which model I am choosing, that one is the CP1E. So we have scroll down and we have to be find this CP1E. So this is the my model CP1E, and click it OK. And this port I will show you. This port, if you like to program by the USB type, means this cable, after you can just only USB type selected, no need to be change it here anything, only just if you go to the settings you can find another settings, but we need only that the USB cable. And comments, if you like to be give the comments, give the comment, otherwise no like to give, no like to give, click OK. And but he says the name upload Omron is not a legal name, please choose another. So what he say, this name is not okay, you have to be write in single name or just no need to any space, after will be okay, you program name will be written. So now this interface will be when open. After, it's very simple and easy. You have to be go here, just only work online must be here. You can direct online. When you like to be take the backup, you just only have to be go to the direct online. So click it on this one, and what he says, choose the current project and create a new one. Do you wish to continue? Click it OK. You have to be click it. And here when this interface is open, after you have to be see when you like to uploading by the USB cable, just only click it on this one, and you are here only click automatically, click yes. Now it will be searched auto condition, because which model is connected with my PC, this will be automatically connected and take the backup from the PLC, and some seconds it takes yani. Now you can see this which program is already in our PLC, that's now displayed on our PC. This is upload is successful, and click it OK. But one more thing I like to explain you, if you like to complete upload, this is not the complete upload procedure. You have to be also go to the memory. This interface also you can see, this is now monitoring mode, and this is symbols, settings, error log, PLC clock, and you have to be click it on memory. When you click it on memory, after you will be got this window, and little make it bigger, and that's all. And here you have to be find some, this is data yani. CP1E N60, this model is connected with my PC, and we have to be double click on this one CIO, and after A also, and T also. T means T base timer, C means counter. This values you have to be must complete select. H, W, this all when you selected this one Windows, after you have to be go to here transfer from PLC. Because of this in Omron PLC, that all data will be not complete backup, you have to be must this procedure have to follow. So go to here and click it on this one, transfer from PLC, and this is here also you can click by manual, and also you can here select all when all data will be one time selected, and after you can click on transfer from PLC. So this data is also transfer from PLC, and also this is one more setting you have to be go and must be save in project. If you not save, these files will be not save this data, and click it on save in project. After this all data will be saved in the project. Now your backup is successfully uploaded, and if you like to be monitor this data, you have to be just go it here, and you have to be program mode put in monitor mode. Now start stop program monitor mode, and just we will check our input address. See, this is now working, but output not working because we have to be put on monitor mode. Yes, now is monitoring mode, and when you put on X0, your Y0 will be on, and when you press I0.1, this will be off. And this program is already designed, but I will make new program for you, that's after you better understand. So cancel this one mode, monitor mode, and after you have to be set in the program mode. When you put in the program mode, after you can write any program or something. This you like to be delete, we will be delete this program. This must be you have to be click on this one. If you not click this one, you cannot modify the program or something. And now go back, this all program will be delete. So this also I will be delete, and I will design for you new program. We will make this letters bigger little to better understand. This is the little visible, and we can start a new program here. For an example, I like to make a one small program latch and latch in the Omron PLC. So I will click on this one. This is the open contact of the PLC. So I will click it here, and you have to be just write only if you like to address making that 0.0, that first input of your PLC. And this is for example, I will show you again. This first 0 and 0 1. This you have to be start from 0 up to 10 11. After next this will be addresses. So when you click it on just 0 and click enter and just OK, your input address will be placed in the PLC. You like to give the comment also, comment you can give also. Double click it on this. Here you can write the comment also. For example, we will write it here, start and click enter. This comment will also placed on the contact. But sorry, this is we will make wrong. This is output placed, but we need the input here. We have to be put the input address 0 and detail, and click on detail. That name and comment we can give it here, start start, and click it OK. And next we will choose our one output for new coil. Means for example you can say this is start from 100.0 when you write, and details if you like to be write, you can write the comment motor, for example OTOR motor, and click enter, and you can see this is the placed y 100.0. This is your first output of the PLC. So third, what we will do, we will place a one more output contact here, and we will give the name 100.0 and click enter, and again click enter. This will be placed, and one row we will make it here branch, and this will be ready. And one more thing, we need a one close contact 0.1. One just only when you write, only this contact will be placed. Now 0.0 is your input for start, and this one is for stop. We will give also this one start. This comment we will give the stop. Stop. Oh sorry, this we have to be change one just only, not 11. You have to be right one only, just no, delete. Again we will take it from here, this one, and one we will write, and detail we will give the comment stop, stop, and click OK. Now you can see this is your stop button, and this is your start button, and this is your motor holding contact, because when we press this X0.0, after this will be Y100 on, and after this Y100 take the voltage from direct from the main line. So this program is ready, small program latch, and this we will be download to the PLC. For downloading you have to be go for program mode, and also you can go it here to PLC, but this is, you can see this is the not highlight, because of you have to be must put in the online mode, and also again you have to be go for transfer to PLC. Now you can write in the PLC transfer, and here this all settings you have to be check marks OK, and after click it OK, transfer all, and it will be start downloading. And as per seen, you can see this is the download successful. Program is downloaded to the PLC, and click it OK. And now you like to be monitor, you have to be must go to the monitor mode. When you put in monitor mode, after your PLC will be run condition, and when you push the X0, after you can see your Y0 is now on, and as you push the X0.1 second signal, this will be stop. This is start, stop, start, stop. This way you can upload and download the program to the Omron PLC. Hope guys you will be understand about this procedure. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.